Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you one of the hidden features on iPhone, and it's text replacements. So first go into the settings, then general and keyboard. Now text replacement. Click create, and now type in the shortcuts. So for example, when I type XD, I want it to be replaced by the capital XDDDDDD and save. So now let's go to the iMessages and type XD, click space, and as you can see, it is replaced. So check the other text replacement that I have, for example, mail. So mail, and it's already replaced. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.